Welcome back. Today we will be going to a rice field that is being harvested by hand. So come along and check it out. It's a lot of work, but it's very interesting. They take these bundles and tie them onto a stick, and then they beat them onto a tarp, and they beat until all the grain is off of there. And then you have hay that's either sold to the tobacco places to use like a mulch, or it's burned. And if you look in the background, you could see some smoke there. Oh yeah. And here they've actually taken and beat the rice out of this thing. Notice I said beat the rice out of it. And you have a very thick husk on this thing. It's not like you would say rice. Now, here they're tying this thing, and what they do is they take a piece of, I guess it's bamboo, some kind of straw, and that is what ties this bad boy together. And they just twist it and leave it there, and it stays. Amazing. Oh yeah. Just twist it on there. Amazing. And here comes the thing there. Okay, here we are. Everybody's loading up all the rice that they've taken and beaten out of these bundles. And they're doing it rather quickly. This thing goes on and on and on, and it got piles everywhere. And that's a little tractor they used to move this thing with. Little Alright, I think when the big loop is going to come back and these guys are going to load it up. I have to get out of the way because they're going to run me over. Oh, and then they're gonna carry one. And then whatever they don't get on the wagon there, they put on their shoulder and carry and walk all the way back. Oh, the mole. Boy, that hat makes a difference, huh? Yeah. Got a kind of a so they must not be going far from here.
And they're going to, that's going to your house? Your house? Yeah, it's going to her house.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna get some more. And the thing is, it's just a motor and wheels with a long handle because the thing that he's sitting on is actually the tongue of the trailer that's attached to a hitch in the very back. So that thing is. And one of the traditions that they have here in Thailand is after any job, a harvest, building something, whatever, they get together and they have a meal to celebrate the harvest, the completion of the job, the completion of the day, what have you. But they generally get together and have a good meal, have a few drinks, and everybody goes home happy. Thanks for watching.
ขอบคุณเจ้า
See you next time.
แล้วปะกันแฮมไมนะเจ้า
See you.
บ๊ายบาย